Water is essential for human survival, and in modern society, the debate over whether bottled water is superior to tap water is ongoing. Many people claim they can taste the difference, while others argue it's a psychological illusion. Scientific studies have explored this topic in depth, analyzing whether people can truly distinguish between bottled and tap water based on taste alone. 1. The science of taste perception. Taste perception is a complex process influenced by multiple factors, including genetics, environmental exposure, and psychological expectations. 1. The human tongue detects 5 primary tastes: sweet, salty, sour, bitter, and umami. 1. However, water itself does not strongly trigger these taste receptors. 1. Instead, variations in mineral content, dissolved solids, and chlorine levels can subtly alter its taste profile. 1. The retronasal olfactory system, which contributes to the overall flavor perception, plays a key role in how people experience water. 2. Scientific studies on water taste perception. Numerous blind taste tests have been conducted to determine if people can consistently distinguish between tap water and bottled water. 2. Studies have yielded mixed results, with some indicating that individuals can detect minor differences, while others suggest that most people cannot reliably tell them apart. A 2010 study conducted at the University of Geneva tested 389 participants under blind conditions. Results showed that only 36% of participants correctly identified bottled water, while the majority were unable to discern a difference. Another study published in the Journal of Sensory Studies in 2013 found that the perception of bottled water's superiority is often linked to branding rather than actual taste differences. Participants who saw the label of a premium bottled water brand rated it as tasting better than tap water, but in blind tests, ratings were statistically identical. A 2017 study in food quality and preference found that temperature plays a critical role. When both bottled and tap water were served chilled, differences in taste perception decreased significantly. This suggests that warmth amplifies subtle variations in mineral content and chlorine levels, making people more likely to detect discrepancies. 3. Mineral content and its influence on taste. The mineral composition of water can significantly affect its perceived taste. 3. Bottled water often contains added minerals, such as calcium, magnesium, and sodium, which can enhance or alter its flavor. 3. Tap water mineral content varies by region, depending on the source and treatment methods used. Hard water, high in calcium and magnesium, tends to have a slightly metallic or earthy taste. Soft water, low in dissolved minerals, often tastes smoother but may have a flat sensation. Chlorinated tap water can have a faint chemical taste, which some people find off-putting. Spring water, which is commonly bottled, contains naturally occurring minerals that can make it taste different from municipally treated tap water. 4. Psychological influences on water taste perception. Branding and expectations significantly shape how people perceive water taste. 4. The placebo effect plays a considerable role, as consumers often associate bottled water with purity, leading them to believe it tastes better. A 2018 study published in Appetite demonstrated that when participants were told a specific water sample came from an expensive, exotic source, they rated it as superior in taste, even when it was just regular tap water. Color psychology also affects perception. A 2021 study found that when the same water was presented in blue or transparent bottles, participants rated it as fresher than when served in a plain cup. 5. Effect on different age groups, children and adolescents. Young children have more sensitive taste receptors and may be more likely to detect subtle differences in water quality. However, studies indicate that branding influences their preferences more than actual taste differences. Adults. Adults typically have more experience with different types of water and may develop biases based on past exposure. Those who grew up drinking well water, for example, may find chlorinated municipal tap water unpleasant. Elderly. Taste perception diminishes with age, particularly for subtle flavors like water. Older adults are less likely to notice differences unless they are extreme, such as high chlorine content. 6. Health implications of bottled versus tap water. tap water is regulated by government agencies like the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, in the U.S., ensuring it meets safety standards. However, aging infrastructure can sometimes lead to contamination issues, such as lead leaching from pipes. Bottled water is regulated by the FDA but is not necessarily safer than tap water. Some bottled water brands are simply repackaged municipal water, sometimes with added minerals for taste. Plastic contamination is a growing concern. A 2018 study found that 93% of bottled water samples contained microplastics, raising concerns about long-term health effects. Conclusion: scientific studies suggest that most people cannot consistently distinguish between bottled and tap water in blind tests. While mineral content and temperature can influence taste perception, psychological factors play a much larger role in shaping preferences. Branding, expectations, and prior exposure often lead consumers to perceive bottled water as superior, even when there is no actual difference. Understanding these influences can help consumers make informed choices about their drinking water, balancing health, cost, and environmental impact.